Dr. Powell's office, Jenny speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, Jenny. I'd like to make an appointment today. My back tooth is in quite a bit of pain. I don't know if it's a cavity or what, but it's killing me.
Oh no, I'm so sorry to hear that. Dr. Powell is fully booked for today, but we have openings for tomorrow morning if you can manage to wait.
Oh, man. Okay, well, I definitely need to come in as soon as possible. What's the earliest available time tomorrow?
There's a 10:30 slot available in the morning. Would you like to make an appointment for then?
Yes, I'd like that.
And your name is?
Jared Keys, with an S at the end.
Okay, Jared, I've set up an appointment for you to see Dr. Powell at 10:30 a.m. tomorrow. Be sure to bring your insurance card if you have one.
Sure thing.
Take some pain relievers if you need to in the meantime. We'll make sure to take good care of you tomorrow.
I will. Thank you so much.
Bye now.
Bye.
Good morning.
Hi, yes, I have an appointment scheduled for 10:30 today with Dr. Powell. My name is Jared Keys.
Yes, we spoke yesterday on the phone. How's your back tooth? Are you still in some pain?
Yeah, I hardly slept at all last night.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. Please take a seat. I think Dr. Powell is finishing up with a patient soon, so it won't be long. We'll get you in there right away.
Okay, thank you.
Jared, Dr. Powell will see you now. Just come right this way.
Okay.
Just have a seat right here, Jared. Dr. Powell will be with you shortly.
Thanks.
Hi, Jared. I'm Dr. Powell. I hear you're in a bit of pain.
Hi, Dr. Powell. Yes, I am.
So, which tooth is causing you so much pain?
The furthest back left tooth. It's like this constant sharp and throbbing pain.
Well, let's take a look. Lie back and open wide. As I expected, it seems it's your left third molar. Basically, your left wisdom tooth needs to be extracted.
Oh, geez, my wisdom tooth?
Yes, your wisdom tooth is pushing through the skin and growing at an incorrect angle. That's why it's causing you so much pain. I'll need to take some x-rays to confirm its position. But I think we will need to extract it as soon as possible. If we don't, it'll start causing damage to your other teeth by pushing them forward.
Oh, man.
Can you get time off work or school for the next 3 or 4 days?
I'm currently on my summer break, so yeah, I've got time.
Excellent. Then, if you're free, we can take this out right now. I'll give your teeth a full cleaning too. You have a little tooth decay we need to clean up as well.
Really? Right now?
If that isn't a problem.
How long will it take?
Only 20 minutes.
Oh, that's not that long.
Did you drive here with someone? The anesthesia we're using is going to make you groggy, so I won't be able to let you drive.
Oh, sorry, no. I took the bus.
That's fine. I can have Jenny arrange a taxi to pick you up if you like.
Yeah, that works.
You still seem hesitant.
Will it be painful?
No, not at all. You'll have some local anesthesia which will numb the area so you won't feel a thing.
Okay.
Okay, Jared, I want you to open your mouth as wide as you can. Excellent. I'll be injecting you with some local anesthetic now. You might feel a slight prick. That's just the needle going in. Your gum should start to feel numb in a few seconds. How are you feeling so far?
Pretty good so far. Feels kind of funny. But it's already better than the throbbing pain I've been dealing with all night.
Good. We'll have to wait for a few minutes for the anesthetic to work. I'm just going to step out for a moment. Just sit tight and relax, okay?
Okay, sure.
Alrighty, how are you feeling, Jared?
Good.
Looks like the anesthetic is in full effect. We'll start the extraction now. And there we go. You're all stitched up now. You can rinse your mouth with this cup of water and spit it out here.
Thank you.
Your mouth will feel numb for a few more hours, and your gums will be quite swollen, so please relax as much as possible and try to eat only soft foods. Also, the bleeding won't stop until another 24 hours. I suggest you avoid brushing or flossing as well. You can rinse your mouth with salt and water to keep your mouth clean and to prevent any infection. Jenny will give you a pamphlet with all this info and some other tips.
Okay.
If any pain persists, go ahead and take an aspirin or painkiller. If you feel any severe pain or fever, give us a call right away.
I will.
You've been a very good patient. Please go see Jenny at reception now to schedule a checkup for a few days from now.
Thank you, Dr. Powell.
See you in a few days, Jared.
Hey, Jared, how are you feeling?
Just numb and swollen at the moment, but I'm fine. I'd like to schedule another appointment in a few days' time.
Of course. We have a couple of openings on the 18th. Does that work for you?
Sorry, what's the date today?
It's the 15th.
Yeah, that works.
We have openings all day. Would you prefer the morning or in the afternoon?
The morning would be better.
Okay. We have a 9 a.m. or a 10:30 a.m. time slot available.
9 a.m. is fine.
Great. I've put you in for your post-checkup for the 18th of March at 9 a.m. Now, if you want to take a seat in the meantime, we've already arranged a cab to pick you up and take you home. It should be here in just a few moments.
Oh, cool. Thanks.
Okay, well, your taxi is here. Make sure you get some rest. See you in a few days, Jared.
Thanks, Jenny. Bye. Hi, Jenny. I'm here for my 9 a.m. appointment.
Hi, Jared. Welcome back. How are you feeling?
A little better, but the extracted area still hurts.
Well, Dr. Powell is already waiting for you, so you may go through.
Thanks.
Good morning, Jared. Good to see you again. Take a seat in the chair. How are you feeling since your wisdom teeth extraction?
Not that good.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
My mouth is still bleeding and throbbing around the extracted area.
Let's have a look. Can you please open wide? There does seem to be some excess bleeding. It also looks a little swollen. What I'll do is put another gauze back on the affected area. I want you to bite down with firm pressure for the next 30 minutes. You mustn't chew the gauze, and you mustn't try and speak for the next 48 hours. Replace the gauze whenever it feels wet or soggy.
Okay.
Also, did you rinse or spit from your mouth during the past 3 days?
Yes.
This time, please don't rinse your mouth or spit anything out. It's better to swallow normally, or else it could affect the extracted area. I'm going to prescribe you with some painkillers. I want you to take them after you've eaten. And stick with soft foods. Avoid alcohol and any excessive activities for another 48 to 72 hours. As for the swelling, I want you to place an ice pack near the left side of your mouth throughout the day. Did you get all that, Jared? Jared?
Yeah, I think so.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye.